Welcome. This instructor tutorial will show the new interface, and most commonly used features of the University of Victoria's learning management system. You will notice, quite a few features have been changed, added, or enhanced, to provide instructors and students an improved user experience. Please understand that we cannot show you everything in such a short space of time, but we think it gives you a good start for building your course. Once you step inside of a course, you will notice some similarities, and many differences. You still have a breadcrumb trail, located near the top of the course. Presently, it shows a link to my home, and the course that I am in. The new change to the breadcrumb trail, is that it drills down further. As an example, I will click on the news forum. Notice how the breadcrumb changes. It now shows, home, name of course, the section of the course, which is new, and then, where I am, inside the news forum. To get back to the course front page, as always, just click on the course name, in the breadcrumb. Above the breadcrumb, is the name of the course. This cannot be changed. It will show the term, course, and CRN number. Above this, there now appears some quick links. These are still under development, so may change slightly from what you see. Clicking on each of the main headings will reveal links that may help you, depending on your needs. We have also branded the top section with the University of Victoria theme. Now we will discover some new navigation. As an instructor, you now see on the top left, a settings block. This replaces the old administration block you are used to, however, contains some different things. It has an expanding tree interface. What do I mean by this? If you notice the small arrows, you can close and open them. For example, the main course administration menu is open. If I click on the down arrow, it will close. Click on it again, and it reopens. Anywhere you see this arrow, you can open, to reveal more options. You will need to become very familiar with this type of navigation, where things are now located, and what they do. It will be a bit of a learning curve, but with use, you will become a whiz at it. If you want to close the settings block, all you need to do is select the small switch in the top right of the block. Click on the switch again and it reopens. Below settings, you will find the navigation block. Default menu items include My Home, Site Pages, My Profile, and Courses. You will notice, the Turn Editing On button is located in the top right. Select it, and you enter editing mode. Here, I want to point out two new features. First, the editing icons for individual items has changed, and actually offers a little more flexibility. Working from left to right, you may now directly edit the title, indent, move, update, duplicate, delete, hide, or show. Use an assignment with groups. And also assign roles to a specific activity. We will look at these in detail in separate help documentation. Another change is how you add resources and activities to your course. They are now grouped together into one interface. Selecting a button will give you a brief overview. If you decide to do so, you can add it to your course to begin to build your content. Again, we will dissect this elsewhere, but for now, I just wanted to introduce this new navigation to you. Finally, I want to draw your attention to the center area of a course. As you know, this is where your course content is built, and students later access it. As you can see, the top area has no dates. This is a general area, where you can add items, such as a description of the course. Below this, are separate block areas, for each week of the course. I will move to a course that has already been built with some content, to show you how this center section now works. In this course, the instructor has added a top summary, with a title and description. Below it, is the news forum, which has been renamed Important Messages. And then, a general course discussion forum. Now here is the major change. You will notice that each week is actually collapsed, showing only the date. To view the content for the week, you need to select the plus icon. This will then reveal all the content that the instructor has added for that week. If you want to see more than one week, just select the plus icon beside each week. Select the icon again to close the week. This is how students will now access content. As an instructor, if you are building the course with editing turned on, you will see all the weeks open. This is the way the university has decided that course content will be accessed and viewed. This completes our video on basic navigation for instructors. Other videos will provide more in-depth information on how to build course content for student use. If you have any comments on what you have seen, please contact Learning Systems at the University of Victoria.